Checking in on our plants after the cold weather and frost. As you can see, we're kind of gathering some things up. Came over here to our Bok Choy, and we can see that it's getting ready to go to seed. See that flower down in there? What you don't want is your lettuce to get really bitter because you allowed that to happen. So what we're gonna do is take my awesome little snippers, get down in here and eliminate the top of it. Didn't do a very good job on that first round there, but we'll try a little bit deeper here. And that right there is going to make our bok choy taste a lot better. And that's an important lesson, because your lettuce, when it goes to seed, tastes terrible. And as always, have a good day now.